So, may set number na tayo guys. Let's go. And then, move to
Set number na? Level 14 eh?
1.
Yes.
Asa man ni Gatsit? Next pa?
Yes.
Okay.
Silang ma'am.
So, let's go to the next building guys. Let's go. So, we're going to move. We're moving to the next building. Check-in tayo. Waiting for our time. Kasi maaga pa guys. Mayroon ding aalis ng 11:45. Pero tayo ay 11. So, may check-in restriction pa tayo dito.
What time?
1 o'clock. Okay. So,
Horizon. Oh, 1 o'clock ni, 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock pa.
1 o'clock ni.
Okay.
May charge doon ma'am.
Pila?
Mo na 1 o'clock ni charge.
Pila?
100 ma'am.
I'll go 100, okay. 100 yung charge guys sa check-in. Let's see.